Hey everyone, welcome to today's math lesson. Today we will be counting money. We'll be counting up to about 25 cents or so, so not a lot. Alrighty everybody, so here let's go ahead and review the coin. So here we have the penny, and how much is the penny worth? That's right, it's worth 1 cent. How much is the nickel worth? That's right, it's worth 5 cents. How much is the dime worth? 10 cents. And how much is the quarter worth? 25 cents. It's good. Okay, so as you remember, our penny is brown or copper colored. Nickel is bigger than a penny, but the dime is smaller than all of them. But it is worth 10 cents. And of course, the biggest coin that we will be learning about for now is the quarter. And that's going to be our biggest coin that we're going to see. All right, everybody. So we're going to go ahead and find the pennies. And then when we find the pennies, we're also going to count the amount of pennies that we see. Okay? All right. So let's start here. Let's see. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So how much is that worth? That's just worth 11 cents. That was easy. All right. So let's go ahead and count the nickels. So the nickels, if you remember, we're going to be counting by fives. Okay, ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. All right, so we have 45 cents worth of nickels. And notice that the nickel has two sides of it. It has this back side and this front side. So remember that Thomas Jefferson is on the front side. All right, now let's go ahead and count the dimes. Do you remember what the dimes look like? Is it this one? Is it this one? Or is it this one? That's right, it's this one. All right, so let's go ahead and count the dimes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, right? One thing that I forgot to mention is that, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dimes, right? But since we're going to be counting by tens, 5 dimes also means 50 cents. So 5, 10 cents each, 50 cents. All right, so let's go ahead and count the quarters. We're just going to go ahead and count the amount of quarters, and then I'll teach you in a second how to count them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters, and that's it. All right, perfect. So here are the quarters that we see. The quarters are worth 25 cents each. So the first quarter is going to be 25. Plus 25 is 50. Plus another 25 is 75. And another quarter is $1. So 4 of these quarters is $1. And they will always and forever be worth $1. Alrighty, everybody. So let's go ahead and do another worksheet where we're counting the coins. So here we have, let's go ahead and start with the penny since that is the easiest one. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 pennies is 9 cents. Okay. Alright, so the next one is, do you remember what comes after the pennies? The nickel. So the nickel, we're going to go ahead and count the nickel first and see, and then count by fives because the nickel is worth 5 cents. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right. So let's go ahead and count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Alrighty. So let's go ahead and count. I'll let you go ahead and count the dimes. Ready? Alrighty, so let's go ahead and count them by tens. Very good. Okay, so I think that's all the dimes that we see here. So you should have counted 40 cents or 4 dimes. Alright, so here comes my favorites. Now, the quarter is going to be a little bit harder this time, so I'll go ahead and help you out with this one. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we're just gonna count up to $1. We're not gonna count all of the quarters, but we do have what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 quarters, right? So let's just count up to $1. Let's see how many dollars we can make. So we can make $1 with 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. And we're just going to have 2 left over. And that's about it. That's all you need to know about counting. Alright, everyone. So that is our lesson for today. We will continue counting when we come back from our little break. Make sure that you are doing your Khan Academy, and I will also see if I can assign some counting coins homework as well. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you next time.